Hi, I'm Jeff Sawicki, and I am the mad scientist here at Vital Mission Farm. And I just want to do a little video and show you a little bit about what we do here at the farm and show you some of our enterprises. We'll show you our young birds, how we keep them in the brooder. I'll show you the broilers as well as the pasture-raised ducks that we raise on pasture. We have some turkeys going on, we have layers, and we have pigs. And we also have some tree crops. So starting with the brooder house, this is a hoop house, simple hoop house structure that we made this past winter. It is about 20 by 50, about 1,000 square feet, and we can raise quite a few young birds in here. So let's show you how it looks. So inside the hoop house here, we have our little baby ducks. There they are. And these guys are about 2.5 weeks old. We keep them in this house with shade and plenty of food and water and these heat lamps, because for the first about 2 to 3 weeks of their life, they don't have any downy feathers. So they need to stay nice and toasty, around 95, 90 degrees all the time. Once they grow in their downy feathers, then we can move them outdoors and they can handle the weather. So these guys are about 2.5 weeks old, and they are going to come out today, hopefully. We'll get them moved out this afternoon. These birds we got from a hatchery as day-old ducklings, but we will be hatching our own birds. We've got an incubator, so our next batches will be collecting our own eggs and hatching our own birds very soon, which will be exciting. That way we can handle our own genetics and kind of fine-tune everything how we like it. So again, here's our hoop house. It's just made of simple PVC, some poultry netting at the bottom, covered with some tarps. Keeps them warm in the winter, cooler in the summer with the shade cloth. And we can open it up, allow more airflow while it's warm right now. It's got doors on either end, an automatic watering system. And I have plans for that hoop house too that I'm gonna share with folks.